Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In the previous video we learned about the grid system and Flexbox, and in this video we are going to learn something interesting, and that is about hovers and transitions in Tailwind. In the pure CSS tree we have these properties of hovers and transitions, but with the Tailwind it is quite interesting than the simple one. So you have easy utility classes and you can use them to apply the transition and the hovers. So let's try it. First let me remove the let's say not remove, comment down the previous work. Let's save it. Yeah, we have a blank page. So now I'm going to create a div, and inside div let's say I'm going to create a button, and we'll apply like hovers and transitions for this one. For example, the button says click me, so we have the button click me. Okay, so we got here the Visual Studio Code screen and this side the browser. So this is the button click me, and we'll add some Tailwind classes here. For example, the bg blue 300, and then we can say just a border for it, border blue 600. Okay, let's save it. We got that here, and let's add some padding to make it padding x add, and padding on the y-axis 3. Let's save it, and we got the button here. We are somehow ready. Let's give some margin 10. Now let's apply some hover. Now when we hover nothing happens for the button, but if we just use the classes of hover and transition, then we get the effect as well. For example, almost all the utilities, simple utilities in Tailwind, we can use them with the hover option as well. For example, if we want hover and change the background color, before the background is bg blue 300, now we will change it bg blue, for example, 500. Let's save it and just check it over here. Yeah, you can see that the over and it is changing the background color. So we can do the same thing, just change the font size. For example, we can say over text. For example, change the text color to white, over text white. Let's save it and just, so you can use them for, you can add just over as many as you want. For example, over rounded XL. Let's save it and just come here. Yeah, you can see that completely the shape is changed after hovering. So but these hovers, the effects are just changing instantly, so we want some delay or some in slower time the transitions should affect. So we can add the transition. We have transition all, transition none, this means no transition, and we have transition all dash all. So for all the transition it will affect the color, the for example the font color, the background color, the border, for everything. I will just take some time for the transition for the over effects. Like, see, it's now not changing. But if you want a specific over to affect somehow and a long duration, then we can just use it specifically. For example, transition color, then we can give it the duration. For example, if you are changing the color, so change it between 0 to 700 milliseconds. So now if we save and if we hover on the button, the background color change will not be instantly, but it will take a while, 700 milliseconds, as you can see. Yeah, and we can add some delay as well. If we hover, instantly should not change, but it will wait a 200 millisecond or 300 millisecond, then add the hover or transitions. And we can say delay 2 or 300. Let's save it and just hover. You can see when I hover it will not change instantly. So this was for this video. I want it to be short, and you can try more. If you have questions, please write it down below in the comment section. And if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. In the next video we will learn about the different types of animations. And thank you very much.